Hello everyone, I am Ananya and I am here to explain you about wait, notify and notify all methods in Java with examples. Now what are these wait, notify and notify all methods? In Java these methods are used for inter-thread communication process, and these all methods are defined in the object class and are useful in synchronization. So we can say that the advantages of using these methods are these are used for inter-thread communication, and where they are defined in the object class and they are used in synchronization. Now what they allows us? They allow threads to communicate and coordinate their actions. Now we'll look after the thread method, the wait method. Now this wait method will cause the current thread to wait until a thread invokes the notify or notify all method. Now let us take an example where our thread A is being executed and where a thread A is being executed and the thread B has to be in the waiting state until the thread A completes its action. So this wait method will causes the current thread to wait until the another thread will be completed its action, and this wait method must be called from a synchronized context. Now how do we know that a particular thread has been completed? So by using this notify method, it will wakes up a single thread that is on the waiting object. So this notify method is used to wake up a thread that is in the waiting state for only a single thread. Now if multiple threads are waiting, the JVM chooses one of them to wake up, but the choice is arbitrary. Now the thread that is awakened will reactivate the lock on the object. Now what is in the case if you want to wake up multiple threads rather than a single thread? So in that case we will be using the notify all method. The notify all method wakes up all threads that are on waiting state on the object. Each awakened thread will be computing its lock to resume the action, and this is used often when the multiple threads need to be notified. Now here are the few syntaxes for the wait, notify and notify all method. You can go through the syntaxes. Now what is deadlock prevention? What we will do to prevent the deadlock in multi-thread applications is we'll be using the above discussed methods such as wait, notify, notify all that can help to prevent the deadlocks in multi-thread applications. By properly coordinating thread actions, you can avoid scenarios where threads wait indefinitely for each other. Now what are the best practices of these methods is, as I discussed earlier, I threads that it will be used for inter-thread communication, and it will be helpful for testing whether a thread has completed its action or not. So we can always call these methods from within a synchronized block. The reason is to avoid the illegal monitor state exception, and we'll be using this wait with a loop and a condition to prevent the spurious wake-ups. And then when we should use these wait, notify all methods is when threads are need to communicate and coordinate their actions. We will be using this, and we will avoid unnecessary use of these methods as they can introduce complexity and potential issues in your written code. Now these methods, to conclude, we can say that these methods are essential for inter-thread communication in Java. By using these methods correctly, you can ensure proper synchronization and coordination between the threads. And by using this method, it is also crucial for developing efficient and reliable multi-thread applications. Hope you understood this a short description which I have shared about the wait, notify and notify all methods. You can go through the syntaxes to understand the concept clearly. So thank you.